Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka. Today I'm going to unbox the Life Aroma Planner for you all. Let you know what were the reasons that I chose the Life Aroma Planner for myself in 2025. This Life Aroma Planner is a big size journal. I absolutely love it. I had it last year as well. Aisha is her name. So she had launched her first planner in 2024 and I had bought that as well. So it's a big size planner. So if you want to compare the ink bucket planner and this one, so as you can see, there's quite a lot of difference. These are the two boxes. It comes in a sturdy box and you have the small ribbon so that you'll be able to get the journal out easily. It has a very nice line written here, that is 2025 is my year. Color scheme going on in here is really pretty. I was sold when I saw this cover. I love the embossing, flower embossing on it. It really stands out, looks very pretty. If you want to see the size comparison, I also had the ink bucket planner last year. So ink bucket planner is this small and the Life Aroma planner is a little bigger than that. Again, another reason that I was sold for buying this planner is that she has given the best quality of paper and it is like pure white. So multiple planners nowadays have this off-white tint to it, which I like, but then having white papers to journal on, everything, all colors just pop out so nicely. The start page is really cute. This planner belongs to, that is what is written on the first page. So in here at a glance, she has given ample place. The aesthetic is really clean and minimal. So that's what I like about it. Then the next page is 2025 is my year, and then you have my word of the year, intention, affirmations, and the quote. Again, very simple aesthetics. It is colorful, but it is not very jhatang sort of colorful. So I like very much. Then you have habits to adapt and habits to quit. Then you have this vision board manifestation page, which is also very pretty. Any which ways, it is going to be covered with all the images that we are going to put in. However, it is really pretty, the floral design. She has given multiple categories for goals, so this becomes very convenient. You can split the goals that you have according to certain categories here, like health, work, and career. Then finances, personal development, relationships, and self-care. You also have this spread, which is morning and evening routines, which I really like. Then she also has this weekly reset checklist and the monthly reset checklist. So both the checklists will help you reset your week or the month. This is a very pretty page. That is the 2025 Glow Up plan, wherein she has given small tabs to track your water and diet, then the movement, the sleep cycle, skin and body care, hair care, and mental health. So this is really appreciated. Again, period tracker, very helpful. Then you have 25 things to do in 2025, which is again a very fun thing to do. So I'm going to, brainstorm one day and sit and think what I want to do. Then a letter to my future self. So this is really famous. You can write the things that you want to see yourself doing in this year and come back to this later to, check it. This is like a blank page that she has given. So you can utilize it in multiple ways. Then again, one more thing that is given here is 2024 in review. So you can write how your 2024 was, what were the major setbacks, what were the major goals that you could achieve. So all of those things you can write in here. And then starts quarterly planning. So this is like a good thing to do because you don't get overwhelmed. You just have to do the quarterly planning. Which is really helpful. And then she has really cute monthly starting pages, which are really pretty, like colorful yet decent. They're really nice. Like in every month, she has different prompts which you have to fill in. It prevents the journey from getting very monotonous and mundane. Every month there are different prompts, and you have to think about it and write. She has the focus word this month, intentions of the month, affirmations I will look up to, and the quote of the month. So for every month, this is there. And a small space that is being given here, wherein you can write all the important things that you have to get done for this month, and you will come back to this page again and again, check where you are for this month. And I am a fan of the monthly spread. It is just so beautiful and very clean. The numbers are very small, so they don't take up a lot of space, ample of space to be written. The lines are nice and clean, not very dark. It is a really pretty monthly spread, I must say. Then you have the January goals, and you can write 3 goals which are important for you in this particular month. You have personal self-care, you have a master to-do list which you can divide into personal, work, reminders, and miscellaneous. Again, what currently are you doing? What are you currently reading, loving, feeling, what are you currently watching, what are you currently celebrating, and manifesting. Habits to track. So she has given only 3, but I don't know if this will work for me. I'll most probably add 1, 2, 3 somewhere in between here, because I probably like to track around 6 habits. Budget tracker again does not make a lot of sense to me, but yeah, it is a good space. You can utilize it for budget tracking. And then January highlights. So this also looks nice because every day you can come and write down certain things that you did on that specific day, or certain things that were important. So January highlight looks good. And then there are these journaling prompts for the month of January. They are different for each month, I think. And then comes the weekly spread. So weekly spread is also very sorted, minimal goal for the week. Then you have highlights for the week and improvement plan. So this you can, I think, at the end of the week. Here, as you can see, these are vertical columns. Most probably everyone will give you the horizontal rows to write in. However, she has given columns to write in, which actually works for me because I have small bullet points. So this perfectly works for me. But if it does not work for you, you can still go ahead and use it like flip it this way, write horizontally on the page. So that will also look really pretty. At the end, they have a monthly reflection page. You can reflect back on the month. She has given a dotted page, which is where you can write your notes and stuff. So one dedicated page is given for it. Again, let me take you through February. How cute is February? So it is like all pink because it's Valentine's month. So it looks very pretty. So everything is color coordinated accordingly. You have everything in red. Then comes March, and then comes April, then comes May, then comes June, then comes July, and before July she has also given a quarterly planning page, so a mid-year review and a quarterly planning page. This is August, September, October, November, and the year end, that is December. So appropriate. And then she also has a year-end reflection page, which is very cute. For 2026, you can, in advance write down what you want for 2026, achievements you're proud of, challenges that you face. And then at the end, she has a few empty pages where you can write your notes. That's it. I actually got this from Amazon. Paid around 1400 for it. Sadly, this did not include a sticker book. After I got this one, my sister also got the same planner for herself. And yeah, that's it. Overall, she has made significant improvements from the past planner. Took in so many feedback from the users. She has done a fab job. I love this planner. I'm so excited to use it. Probably I'm going to take a secondary planner as well, which is most probably going to be the Ink Bucket planner. Let's see. That's it for a planner review. I will leave a link to this planner in the description box, both the Amazon link and the Life Aroma website link. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and grab one for yourself. If you want a nice, clear, very minimal planner, which is like having the best paper quality, you can definitely consider the Life Aroma planner. It won't disappoint you. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.